Hey, calculus. So I'm realizing I'm a literal idiot. So this problem I was stuck on during class. This is what we simplified it down to, right? So we plugged in the negative or the 29/6 to that to this entire thing for x, and it comes out to this. And then my exponent rules, for some reason, I just didn't think of this. They dictate that this is the same thing as -1 to the k minus 1. And then since I have two things that are both of the same power, that 6 to the k and that -1/6 to the k, I can multiply those two things together. So I can get 6 times -1/6 is -1 to the k over k squared plus 1. And now, in my numerator, I have two alternating terms. It doesn't matter if there's one alternating term, two alternating terms, but now I have two alternating terms, so I can kind of ignore those, and I just have 1 over k squared plus 1. And obviously, as k approaches infinity, that is going to converge. Therefore, it does converge at that 29/6. And I'll do the same thing for 31/6. So I have -1 to the k minus 1 times 6 to the k. And then if I plug in 31/6 to this, it comes out to 1/6 to the k over k squared plus 1. Doing the same thing, I can multiply the 6 to the k and the 1/6 to the k. So that's just going to be 1 to the k. So I have -1 to the k minus 1 times 1 to the k over k squared plus 1. This 1 to the k, no matter what k is, that's 1. So that's gone. And this is the same thing. It just has an alternating bit. And that's 1 over k squared plus 1. So it also converges here at 31/6. So my radius was 1/6. My interval of convergence was 29/6 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 31/6. And that would be my answer. Sorry, I just completely forgot those rules. Maybe one of y'all remembered them, maybe not. Definitely speak up if I ever make a mistake like that. But have a great weekend, guys, and I'll see you guys on Monday.